So we realized that here on our holy grounds, the one building that we haven't talked about on the campus is our administrative building, where all of our offices are. I know people are always trying to look and saying, well, where even is the offices? They told me to go to the office, but I don't know where to go. And so over the next few weeks, we want to take you on a tour of our administrative building, where all of our offices are, and meet the people that work there at the office. The office is located here on the small parking lot side of the church, and it's just right up here, right in front, right next to the church. You come up here, we do have a mail slot here that if you want to drop something off, you can drop it in the mail slot. But I invite you to come on in and meet the people that work here in our admin building over the next few weeks.